What's up, Trader's Edge? It's Mark Sebastian, and today we're breaking down what happened with markets on Monday, and we're going to look at the one stock that got affected the most and what I'm doing now with that. And, of course, we're going to look at the VIX. So with that, let's dig in. All right, so it was a really crazy day on Monday. This is the one-day chart. Overnight, there was panic over the Trump tariffs. We opened down about 100 at the lows. Markets were down over 120 points. We closed the day only down 45, about 0.75%. At our highs, we were only down about 20 bucks. The Dow actually went green for a minute. And the lesson here is these news-driven headlines. Anytime you see them, there's generally an opportunity to fade. Let the market, and fade means take the other side. Let the market calm, work itself up into a tizzy, and then play a long position. Because, or vice versa, when they open up way too big, let it work itself up into a tizzy and then take the other side. And now, one of the reasons why I knew that, especially on a day like today, that I felt like things were going to calm down was the VIX itself. And I want to point out that, at its peak after it opened, it was barely even able to break 20. There was never any real panic. And as soon as the market started to rally, VIX just took it on the chin. Adjusted for the weekend, vol was up maybe a point on these tariffs. Not really a big deal. Vol futures barely moved. And if you look at that term structure, still in a contango, but we do have the VIX trading at a premium. This setup says we could be due for some wild moves. Now, if you're looking for a reason to be concerned about this market, it's Apple. Our normal safe haven stock took it on the chin, and as the market rallied, it sold off more. Now, it did manage a little bit of bid into the bell, but that Apple price action, and if you look at how it's been trading over the last 3 months, it has yet to break this 200-day. So I'm thinking there is a real chance that the market probably does bounce off these tariff rumors, these tariff actions, especially once it turns out that this was a shorter than the 6-day war. Then the whole market's going to go north, but it might go without Apple. And Apple looks like it may want to test that 220 level and test the 200-day moving average, a level it has not tested since, February of 2024. So it's been over a year. So just be aware, that's kind of the territory that we're in. All right, folks. Speaking of which, we're putting together a emergency tariff meeting on Tuesday. You got to be there. If you missed it, don't worry. It'll be on this channel, but you're going to want to make sure to watch it. If you're watching me on YouTube, like and subscribe. Click this link. If you're getting this in the email, we're closing Alicia's Small Account Challenge tomorrow. You got to join. Click these links. All right, everybody. I am Mark Sebastian. I am your only option. I hope you have a good one.